Today we're taking a closer look at the FIREBAT R2 Mini PC, a compact yet powerful desktop designed for productivity, entertainment, and everyday computing. At its core is the AMD Ryzen 5 3500U processor, featuring 4 cores and 8 threads with a boost clock of up to 3.7 GHz. This delivers smooth performance for office tasks, web browsing, media playback, and light creative work. Graphics are handled by the integrated AMD Vega 8 GPU, running at up to 1,200 MHz, which is more than capable of handling 4K video playback and casual gaming. The system supports dual 4K UHD displays at 60 Hz through 2 HDMI 2.0 ports, making multitasking easy and efficient. The FIREBAT R2 comes with 16 GB of dual-channel DDR4 memory and a 512 GB M.2 SSD, ensuring fast boot times and quick application loading. Memory is expandable up to 64 GB, and storage can be expanded using dual M.2 PCIe 3.0 slots, supporting up to 2 TB per drive. Connectivity is modern and reliable, thanks to Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, providing fast wireless speeds and stable device connections. The Mini PC also features 3 power modes: silent, balanced, and performance, allowing power output up to 15, 25, or 35 watts, depending on your needs. With Windows 11 pre-installed, a compact design, and quiet operation, the FIREBAT R2 is a versatile mini PC that delivers excellent performance without taking up desk space.